Want to know how to fix the Play Store download pending issue or other Play Store download problems? Network issues, insufficient storage, corrupted Play Store data, or conflicting app settings can cause this common problem. No worries, here's how you can get this problem sorted out without a hassle. Before starting anything, check your internet connection. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open Quick Settings. Toggle Wi-Fi off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Do the same for mobile data if you're using it. If you're on Wi-Fi, try restarting your home router by unplugging it for 30 seconds. Solution 1. Clear cache and data for Play Store and Play Services. For Google Play Store, open your phone settings. Go to App or Apps and Notifications. Find and tap on Google Play Store. Tap Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage or Clear Data, and confirm your choice. For Google Play Services, go back to the app list in Settings. Find and tap on Google Play Services. Tap Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage or Manage Space, and then Clear All Data. Solution 2. Clear Play Store Search History. From the Play Store app, tap on your profile icon. Go to Settings, tap General, tap Account and Device Preferences. Scroll down and tap Clear Device Search History. Tap Clear Search History to confirm. Solution 3. Clear Play Store Download Queue. Sometimes other pending downloads block new ones. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Manage Apps and Devices. Tap the Manage App. Look for any apps with a downloading or pending status. Tap the X or Cancel button next to them to clear them from the queue. Now try downloading your desired app again. And that's it. One of these steps should help you fix the Play Store download pending or other download problems. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.